Okay, so guys, today we're doing a gingerbread house. Open the box. Wait. Wait, Zah. Wait. So pretty much, guys, the house is already put together.
This candy.
As you can see. Oh no, guys, you guys broke your house.
It's kind of
So
thick.
the only thing that they have to do pretty much is unwrap and decorate.
No, I didn't get the pic. No, I'm a grown up. No, you're not. You're not no grown up.
Okay, so what else is in here?
Nothing else.
Oh, this is to put the icing in.
We already have icing.
No, this is to put the ice. All right, let me see that clear bag. Let me see the clear bag. So this bag right here, hold this open. Hold this open. Hold it open so I can squeeze the ice. Okay, so guys, I unwrapped all the candies. We have some little baby nerds. I believe that's what it is. Some jellies.
Stop!
And some candy canes. And also we have some frosting for it.
Purple.
It's a purple nerd.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do first for them, I'm just going to add some icing. And start putting it on the house.
Squeeze it. I didn't squeeze mine.
Okay, so I'm just going to add the icing to the house. No, I have to do it. So Z is going to add some icing to the gingerbread house. You want me to squeeze it out?
Yeah.
And then y'all just... Okay, so I'm going to squeeze it out. Make different patterns on the house. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to make the door on this side.
What's the door?
A door.
Where's the door?
Right here. And then you're just going to add the candy to the door. So you can start putting candy on the roof. Where there's icing at.
All I eat is the candy.
You can't eat the candy.
I'll put it right here.
Okay, start putting the beads and stuff on the house. Do y'all want to look at the picture?
What this? Hey.
So they have 2 candy canes by the door.
I'm supposed to do this.
Okay, so start adding some more beads. Okay, Zah. Okay. It's good. Let it go. Start adding some candy to it. Oh, looks yummy.
What's the door supposed to go at?
You can just put the beads anywhere.
What's the door supposed to go at? What's the door supposed to go at?
This is the door. So you can put some beads above the door.
I mean, Zion, move.
That won't fit, Zion.
I need more. I'm going to do this. The yummy. I need more on here. I want to need more. Mother!
Wait your turn.
Look.
Okay, so start putting the beads on. Oh, wow. That's so cool.
Gloria house is dead. It's my turn.
She's just making the roof so that you can add the candy.
It's my turn. And put some right here.
Okay, now add the candy.
Is it my turn? I did put some right here. Mom, put some right here.
Yeah, put some in that one spot.
Oh.
Okay, rub it on there with your finger. Okay, so start adding the candy.
I need to that.
Put some on this side. Okay, rub your hands on the table. Don't put it on the floor.
Okay.
Okay, start adding the candy.
And I can rub on the table.
Okay, start adding the candy. Start adding the candy. Okay, thank you. We finished with this part. Start adding the candy.
Look,
we don't need any more. We don't need any more. Just start adding the candy.
All the way up
no,
here.
just start adding the candy. Put the little beads on the roof. Ooh, this is so pretty. Who made this?
It's not pretty.
Who made this?
No, it's not. It's not pretty. Where is it?
Ooh, who made this?
It's not pretty, Mommy.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, start adding the candy.
It's just candy.
So y'all can put these on the roof. Don't spread it out too much. Ooh, start putting your beads on. Start putting your beads on. Ooh. Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
It's not going to taste good.
Who's going to eat it? You?
Yeah.
Okay, start adding more beads.
You need to add some down here.
Okay, add some.
She ate one.
You want to eat one?
No. I want to eat one.
You ate one already. Okay, eat. I mean, go.
Look at some.
Ooh.
What's the circle at?
Just put it anywhere where you see space.
Where? Down here. What the circle at? What red circle? What the circle at? we're done now. No, we're done.
Go. Add more beets.
Now sit down.
Okay, go sit down and help her put the rest of the beads on. Go sit down and help her put the rest of the beads on. Go. Go. Go sit down and help her.
Bye. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.